Now, I've just used this little beast for the first time. It's a small little bending machine, a roller bender, and this is the first thing I've actually made with it. Now it's only a couple of mil thick, and I just wanted to try it out for the first time. Now I'm just setting it on the vise to use it at the moment, but obviously I won't be leaving it there because there's not enough room to work around because it sticks out too much. So I'm going to make some sort of a gadget to go in the vise and to be able to use it somewhere out here because I haven't got much bench space. So that's the first thing I made. It's only a bit of a project that I'm actually putting together just to try out these bits and pieces of tools what I've got myself together before I go into a big job. Now that big job will be coming up very shortly. I'll be making a motorcycle trailer. Now not a motorcycle trailer for the bike to go on, but a motorcycle trailer that the bike can pull, because I've got a kayak which I want to take from place to place. Now it's an inflatable kayak, but it does weigh quite a bit and it is very bulky, but we'll talk about that another time. But in this video basically all I'm going to do is just show you a few of my little tools I've got together. So now next to the next one. Well guys and girls, another bit of equipment I've got here, and it's a tube notcher, and you can set it at different angles. And for those who haven't actually seen one of these before, you can put your electric drill or your battery operated drill on here, and you put your notch cutter, the blade you're using in this end, and this is a clamp, a vise, and you can fit your pipe or your flat iron or steel behind there, and you can drill at whatever angle you want, whatever degrees, and this base actually moves up and down, that you only might want to cut the top part of the tube or the bottom part, or actually go in the centre. So I will be doing a demonstration on this when I'm actually making bits and pieces, but basically because I haven't put a video up for a while, that's why I'm doing this for you tonight, just to show you these bits and pieces. I've not used it yet, not this particular one. I've used one before. They're fantastic little machines. As I say, this one come on Amazon as well. I got this one on Amazon, but it's not sponsored by anyone in any way, this video. It's just bits and pieces what I need, so I'm getting bits together. So hopefully now we're going to have good results with this little machine as well. Right guys and girls, this is another bending machine I've got. Now this one does this one does a lot heavier work. This is real good heavy duty one, this one, and there's a massive good long handle on it to give you plenty of leverage. Now what I actually done with this, I've tried it out the other day, and this is the results I got from it. Now this tube there, it's 30 mil box section, and there you can see that I've made that bend. Now this was just plain, it was an experiment, and I actually made this in this device sitting on a Black & Decker workmate. It wasn't strapped down, or it weren't bolted down, or I didn't have it clamped at all, so I did have a lot of movement, but I was playing with it in the kitchen one evening, to be honest with you, the first night I got it. So I'm very impressed with this. This is a great heavy duty machine, and it's going to come in very handy in the workshop, and that is the outcome of it. And I've got to tell you, I am very pleased. Now they do say that the seam of the box should always be face down when you're doing it. That's what they recommend anyway. So yeah, this is another bending machine I've got, heavy duty, very pleased with it. There is one little problem I did find, but I'll be sorting that problem out myself. These rollers here, you adjust them that for the thickness of the tube you're actually, or the box or the flat, what you're actually using. Now I did find once I loosened them to move it, the screws, the bolts wouldn't actually tighten back up. So I've got to take them out, drill them and tap them a bit more, which I'm a bit disappointed about considering I bought this brand new on the internet. But you know, it's not worth crying over spilt milk. It's a problem will get sorted, and I'll do it myself anyway. To get to know the machine anyway, because I do like taking things apart and then putting back together again. So that's another part. Hope you like it. Got that from Amazon. Now this is not a sponsored video, but I'm very pleased with it, just apart from the teething problems of the bolts. But as I say, it's not a big problem. And don't forget, if you've just landed on this channel for the first time, please hit that notification button down below and give it the thumbs up.